Hello everyone, so today we are going to do Leetcode Daily Challenge Excel sheet number. So basically in this question we would be given with a column title which is means simply a string would be given to us and we are required to return the output as an integer. That is if a is given to us, that is this thing. If a is given to us then we are required to return 1. If z is given to us then we are required to return 26. If double A is given to us, then we are required to return 27. And how these integers are being returned is like this. 27 could be written in the form of 26 into 1 plus 1. Right? See, A was simply that 1. So for that A, 1 is here. And as this A is at some, see, if we simply check that simple basic number system which we used to do in our junior classes, means the 0, 10s, 100 thing, right? So here whatsoever was there, it is multiplied by 1. Whatsoever here it is, it was multiplied by 10. Whatsoever here it is, it was multiplied by 100. Basically 10 into 10, right? So like that thing only, what we are required to do here is, here A is simply multiplied by 1, right? And here A is simply multiplied by 26. So this is what is being done here. 26 into 1 plus 1. Now here Z. Z is again 26 into 26. That is this Z is multiplied and then 26 is being added to it. When it becomes 3 digits, right? So in that case, this A is simply 1 as it is plus this position 26 into the code for this number, that is 1. Then this position, the way here how 100 comes up, 100 is basically 10 into 10, right? So like this, here A is simply 26 into 26 into the number of this particular, means code for this number, means integral form, means integer form of this A. So here Z again it is 26, that is being added. Then here Z 26 into 26, right? And then here Z it is simply 26 into 26 into 26. So this is all which is being here. Like this only. So after this we can see that as per this pattern we can see that we just need first change the char to integer, right? And the second thing is we simply need then simply do as if we are adding decimal numbers, right? Because like this only we add up all the decimal number, means what we do if we are given with 1, it is simply 1. If we are given with 11, then how we add it? 10 into 1 plus 1, right? Then if we are given with triple 1, then how we add it up? We simply do 100 into 1 plus 10 into 1 plus 1, right? We do like this, means having all the digits of that particular place and the value of that particular place and simply multiply and add them up. Like that manner only we are use that particular trick only and do this question. So this is all in this particular question, and as it is simply a maths question in which we are, see, as per the time complexity here being given, see, the time complexity here is simply that column title lane would be still 7. That is, this particular could go at max, means it could go A, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the maximum input which could be given to us, means it would be in the form of Z, means 7 times Z would be there. And then column title consists only of uppercase English letters, at different thing, and column title is in the range of A to this particular. Basically not ZZ would be the last, but this particular would be the last one which is being given to us. So while seeking this particular thing, we could simply check that, yeah, at time complexity is simply of order of 1 only, means it's in the form of simply like a constant which we can say, and as we are not using any particular extra space. So that's why our space complexity is also of order of 1. So here the thing is how we can do this is simply that basic maths only, means simply taking a result variable which would be a final answer, and then simply checking that each character of the string, and when we check each character of the string, then we are required to check the digits first. That means converting them into the digit, means basically A is coded to 1, B is coded to 2, like this. So we are doing all this here. So while checking each character, then we'll simply subtract the char value of A from it. So it will simply become as 0, and we'll simply add 1 because A is coded to 1, not to 0. So this is how we will be converting our each character into digit. And next thing is our result. In our result, how we are doing is by this. That is result into 26 plus the digit. While doing this thing, we are simply multiplying it with 26, whatsoever we were having at that particular place, basically shifting it towards our, we can say MSB, and then adding up the digit which we are having at present. So this is what we are doing in this question. So basically, then a time complexity is simply of order of 1 because it is up to 7, right? Means we could go till this particular, means 7 digits would be traversed only. And the space complexity is simply order of 1 because we are not using any extra space. So this was all about this particular question, simply an analogy to what we add up, means adding up the decimal numbers and what we have done in our junior classes, basically in our school. So this was all for this particular question. So if you have any doubt, you could comment down, and thank you.